Hi, I'm Jeff Pimentel, Project Manager for Caltrans here in District 1. Today we're out here at the Indianola Undercrossing. We have two remaining items of work in order to complete the safety improvements within the Eureka-Arcata corridor. First one, if you've noticed traveling through the corridor recently, we've begun removing the uncontrolled at-grade crossings at various locations. Those would include Bayside Cutoff, Break Cut, the Old Mill Site, as well as the Harper Mid-City Motors intersection. These intersections have been the source of many injury and even fatal collisions. We expect this work to be complete sometime in early August. The other item of work you've also likely noticed is the new half signal at the Airport Road intersection. This work is planned to be complete with the signal in operation by mid-August. This signal will control all movements of traffic with the exception of one. If you are traveling southbound on 101 into Eureka, that movement would not be controlled by the signal. All other movements will. We want to also let the traveling public know about upcoming traffic control measures that we have in place in order to complete the work. That will include intermittent nighttime lane closures, so please be aware of those when those are in place. And we also want to thank the traveling public and the community for your patience and partnership as we've embarked on completing this very necessary and critical safety improvement project within the Eureka-Arcata corridor. Thank you.